Hello everyone, today I will be presenting my EEE 212 project for the spring semester of 2025. The aim of my project is to make Morse encoding and decoding easier via computer interface. My project consists of several components. The first one is computer that's connected to the board via UART, and I'll be giving ASCII inputs from the keyboard, and I'll be displaying the outputs from the board via the PuTu app on the screen. Next, I have a 16:2 LCD and a buzzer, and finally a button. Now I'll be making my demo. My project mainly works on two modes. The first one is the encoder mode and the second one is decoder mode. And the encoder part has two sub modes. The first one is character mode and the second is word mode. You can enter the character mode by pressing the key 1 on the keyboard, and as you can see, character mode is active. And now in the LCD, when I press keys on the keyboard, for example A, C, B, R, D, the corresponding Morse codes are displayed on the LCD, and also a sound is created for the corresponding Morse code. It's a traditional sound for the Morse code encoding. Also, as you can see, the pressed keys can be seen, and the corresponding Morse codes are also be seen on the screen. For example, as I continue, more can be seen like that. And now, upon pressing the key 2 on the keyboard, we enter the word mode. In the word mode, you can give word inputs to the board. For example, I'm giving Arda as an input and pressing enter. Now the corresponding Morse code for the whole word is can be seen on screen. Also, the word Arda can be seen on the LCD, and the buzzer makes sound for the corresponding Morse code of the word. Now let me give another input in the word mode. For example, I'm giving the input Arda again. As you can see, the corresponding Morse codes are displayed on screen. Then the word Arda is also displayed on screen, and sound is made by the buzzer. Now I'll be displaying the second main mode, the decoder. The decoder is accessed via the button, and you can give short and long inputs from the button. The short inputs corresponds to dots, and the longer inputs corresponds to dashes. And you can give Morse inputs to the board. Now it will be decoding the code and displaying the corresponding letter for Morse code. For example, I'm pressing one long time, it displays T, and one short time, it displays E. For example, if I want to give Arda as Morse input, short press, long press, A, short press, long press, short press, R, and long press, short press, short press, and A again. Normally, the Morse decoding part is much faster, but for educational purposes, I increase the time lapses for the inputs, and also the time lapse to display the output. Thanks for watching. This is my project.